Welcome everybody to Trading Jesus Tribe, where we're gonna hunt for exact price value. Today we're gonna talk about HCMC and what's happening for the price for the last trading session and the incentive for the next week. This is really important price we have to overcome this week if we have a big jump by the next week, and we discovered together if there is an explosion happening soon. So without further ado, let's get right to the video. Before we go to the video, please press the like button and check my Patreon comment section below if you want a preview for your favorite stock, the technical analysis on where you buy, where you take your profit, at the same time caution one-on-one, and this Discord channel, and much more exclusive video in Patreon. So check the Patreon in comment section below, and let's get right to the prices. We saw the price been for HCMC, the price been consolidating around this technical area. We've been trading a lot, guys. This is really important level here. This technical area between the 0.14 to 20. This is important area, and so it look like the market maker always accumulate on buying here. Always the buying pressure always happening around this level, or the sell-off here. So now when we visited again, as I show you in previous video, when we visited again the 0.14, we got bought back really fast, but we got a rejection again around the exponential moving average, and we just tested again. So by today, the pre-market is still at the same price that we closed yesterday, and by today we need the price go above the 0.18 and test again the 0.20 to see a picking up in volume, because the volume here we can see a dropping. Last time we have a 3, now it's 2,700,000,000. And this is I just want to clarify the volume you can see here is not the full volume for buying pressure, but is mixed between selling and buying pressures. Is like the volume of share being transacted in the open market. So we can't know for sure here when we see the price is for buying or selling. The best way is our volume indicator, and give us a visual view about the incentive of the market. Now we still above the 0 and in positive. This is really important, and in small picture we see a picking up in volume from the negative to the positive. So we have the same reaction, or the same indication of volume movement for the small and big picture. This is really important, and hold up above. As we can see the small picture, we see a hold up above the exponential average, a bounce from it, and this is again really important for HCMC. And as we can look here at the 10th of May, we have the earning. It did a bit of jump, but that not enough to take us to the all-time high for last month around the 0.34. So if we need an explosion again, guys, like what we happened here, we need a big volume to go above the 0 and never go back again below this level around the 0.016 here. You see with me, guys? This is important to hold this level, and at the same time trying to overcome this resistance level around the 0.20 in order to tell you there's a big pickup in volume, and there's maybe another explosion happening after we just explode again from the 0.20 here, guys. There's a big explosion gonna happen again, so be careful. This time we need to test and before we go higher. So that time we exploded, but we don't test our resistance level, and this is not good indication for healthy picking up or healthy explosion or movement up for our our stock. You have to test any resistance level that we actually broke. This is simple as that. If we don't have a test for any resistance we just broke, it means there's a big rejection gonna happen soon. So never jump when the price move really high above the 2 resistance level and we don't see any test for any resistance level. And this is a warning sign, guys. Never be greedy. Take your profit and away, and always be ready to buy it back. This is how you win in this kind of market when it downtrend. You have to take a profit and away, at the same time average down at the right prices, where I show you here, guys. Always when I told you when we go from the 0.20, we're gonna see the price going gravitate around the 0.014. So you bought here and you see the price went back up really soon, and here we consolidate. The moment we got back from this important level, we got gravitate around this level again. Now we have to see another rejection here or explode from this level and hold up again in order to see the price go again for HCMC to test the all-time high for this month, or even for the last month, because the last month we tested the 0.001335 and we didn't stay just for a few minutes, and we got rejected really fast. So be careful, guys, because this is how the market will react when we downtrending so long down. The incentive of the market, a lot of people selling short, losing the trust of the stock or the commodity because it was downtrending a lot. So we now, at the same time, we don't have the catalyst and the news regarding the court. So that's why we still gravitating around the price value, the 0.014 and 0.020, and we're gonna see expected soon an explosion soon when we see a confirmation candle above the 0.0020, as I told you, and a test again. I will update you guys on the way, so hit the notifications and never miss any of my future update about HCMC and the diagnosis or the prediction before the price explode like we did before. So without further ado, see you guys in the next update, and until next time, be patient. And you guessed it, hunt for the exact price value. See you guys in the next video.